This is how dead we are after dancing. It's nuts. Crazy bad. Okay. Shoes off. Leg warmers off. Oh! You hear that? Millions of people on YouTube across the world. Louise's feet stink.
My feet smell. Do you want to smell one?
Oh! Really don't.
Oh my god, they really do.
Oh my god, my feet are really dry. Bear in mind, guys, that we do dance for like 4 hours in a row, so they're gonna smell. It's not just that we don't wash.
Well,
sometimes, actually, yeah. Louise didn't shower today. Ew!
Sorry, it's only 1 o'clock.
It wasn't her fault.
No.
Okay.
It wasn't my fault.
Yeah, you hear that? It wasn't her fault.
Andy.
She's in the way. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Andy.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say so.
Okay. Yeah, I might get into trouble for doing that. Okay, I need to close the windows, damn it. Okay, bye.